Nowadays, receiving number of leads is a very easy task, but managing those leads is a very difficult task. So here as a business owner, I used to run different lead ads to generate new leads for my business. But here after receiving the bulk leads, I was unable to convert those leads because I usually lost the data of my leads very easily. So now here to manage my leads data in a database, I have set up an automation that automatically add my lead details in a Google Sheet in a very organized format so that my team can view the leads detail and contact them anytime. So here on my screen you can see a small automation that I have set up between my LinkedIn ads and my Google Sheets so that whenever I receive a new lead through my LinkedIn ads, then instantly that lead detail is added in my Google Sheets as a new row. So in this video we are going to learn the entire process of creating this automation step by step, and for that you need to access an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automations, then you can use my special discount code to get a discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already purchased Pabbly and I've automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently Pabbly is offering the lifetime offer at a very cost effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, now after signing in you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that we are going to click on this create workflow button. Then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. Beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says how to save all your leads to Google Sheets in real time, and for the folder I'm going to select the folder from the drop down as automations. You can select a task by your requirement. Now here to create a new workflow we are going to click on this create button. And here you can see we are now successfully have successfully created a new workflow inside our workflow window. So let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn because here I'm running LinkedIn ads to generate new leads for my business. But you can select the lead gen application as per your requirement. Then for the app event, we are going to select lead notifications and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And then we're going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here you can see we're now successfully connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged inside my LinkedIn account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged inside your LinkedIn account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for your account credentials first. Alright, then here it is asking us to select the sponsored account. So now here to get the account, let me take you back to my campaigns manager. And here you can see the account that I'm using is with the name Pabbly's ad account. So I'm going to select the same account from the drop down and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our LinkedIn lead ad. So for that, let me take you back to my campaigns manager account. Here I'm going to select my default campaign that I've created and we are going to use this test lead form to generate a test lead for this automation. Alright, we're going to click on this apply now. And here you can see it is asking us to add the email address and the phone number, whereas the first name, last name and the company name are the static values. That means we cannot change them. So the reason behind this is that this is a test lead form. But if you're running a live lead form, then your lead will be able to add all these details. Alright, so for the email address, we are going to enter the email address as dummy@pabblytunes.com, and for the phone number, we are going to add a random phone number. Then we are going to click on the submit. Then it says, and here you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a dummy response, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the email address, phone number, first name, last name, and the company name. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead, then instantly we are going to add these details in our Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, we are going to add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheet. Then for the app event, we are going to select add a new row, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, we are going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. Now here we are going to click on the sign in with Google. Here we are going to select our desired account. Then we are going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So now here to get the spreadsheet name, let me take you back to my Google Sheets, and you can see my spreadsheet is with the name leads, and this is my sheet name, that is sheet 1. So here we are going to select our spreadsheet as leads, and for the sheet we are going to select it as sheet 1. Then here it is asking to add the name, email, phone number, and the company name. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here we're going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through a LinkedIn ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, we are going to map the first name first, then we're going to enter a space, and then we're going to map the last name. Here for the email address, we are going to map our lead's email address. Here we are going to map the phone number, and lastly we are going to map the company name. Now after entering all the required details, we are going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response. So let's go and check our Google Sheets, and here you can see we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheet with the name, email, phone number, and the company name. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as LinkedIn ads and our action as Google Sheets, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our ads, then instantly it is going to capture the details and it is going to send the same in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps to how to save all your leads to Google Sheets in real time. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.